Imagine waking up every day without worrying about money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Financial freedom is not just a far-fetched fantasy, it's a goal that you can achieve with the right strategies and a bit of discipline. Today, we're diving into the essential steps you need to take before you turn 30 to achieve financial freedom. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or you're just starting to think about your financial future, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from saving early to building multiple income streams, giving you actionable advice that you can start implementing today. Trust me, these steps can set you on the right path to financial independence and a more secure future. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Your future self will thank you. Now let's get started. The first step towards achieving financial freedom before 30 is to start saving as early as possible. You might think that saving a small amount each month won't make a big difference, but that's where the power of compound interest comes in. Compound interest is essentially earning interest on your interest, which can significantly boost your savings over time. Even if you can only save a small amount initially, the key is to start now. Imagine you start saving $100 a month at the age of 20. By the time you're 30, with an average annual return of 7%, you could have close to $17,000. If you wait until you're 25 to start saving that same $100 a month, you'll have just over $8,000 by 30. The difference is staggering, and it all comes down to starting early and letting compound interest work its magic. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This doesn't mean you have to sacrifice enjoying your life now. It's all about balance. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your nest egg can grow. Open a high-yield savings account or a retirement account like a Roth IRA to get the best returns on your money. Saving early also instills good financial habits. When you make saving a priority, it becomes second nature. You start to think twice before making impulsive purchases and begin to prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. So start today, no matter how small the amount, and watch your savings grow over time. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of financial freedom. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your spending and end up living paycheck to paycheck. A budget helps you understand where your money is going, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate funds towards your financial goals. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about making informed choices that align with your priorities. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Write down everything you spend, from rent and groceries to that daily coffee. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Once you have this information, categorize your expenses into fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable costs like dining out and entertainment. Next, compare your total expenses to your income. If you're spending more than you're earning, it's time to make some adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe you can cook more meals at home instead of eating out, or cancel subscriptions you don't use. Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Once you've identified areas to cut back, set realistic spending limits for each category. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments first, then divide the rest among your other expenses. This is known as the pay yourself first approach. By prioritizing savings, you ensure that your financial goals are met before anything else. A budget isn't set in stone, it's a living document that should be reviewed and adjusted regularly. Life changes, and so will your financial situation. Whether you get a raise, incur new expenses, or achieve a savings goal, update your budget to reflect these changes. Regularly reviewing your budget helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. There are many tools and apps available to help you create and manage a budget. So take the time to create a budget and start taking control of your finances today. Chapter 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the most valuable steps you can take towards achieving financial freedom. This means continuously improving your skills, knowledge, and personal development. When you invest in yourself, you increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities for growth and advancement. Education is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your career prospects, whether it's obtaining a degree, earning a certification, or taking online courses. Investing in your education can lead to higher income and better job opportunities. For example, learning new skills like coding, digital marketing, or project management can make you more competitive in the job market and increase your earning potential. Personal development goes beyond formal education. It includes activities like reading books, attending seminars, and networking with professionals in your field. These activities can provide valuable insights, broaden your perspective, and help you stay updated with industry trends. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more valuable you become in your career. Investing in yourself also means taking care of your health and well-being. Physical and mental health are crucial for maintaining productivity and achieving long-term success. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest can boost your energy levels and improve your overall quality of life. When you feel good, you perform better in all areas of your life. Another aspect of investing in yourself is setting and working towards personal goals. Whether it's learning a new language, starting a side hustle, or developing a hobby, setting goals can provide a sense of purpose and motivation. Achieving these goals can boost your confidence and create new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Networking is another powerful way to invest in yourself. Building relationships with like-minded individuals and professionals in your industry can open doors to new opportunities, mentorship, and collaboration. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with people on platforms like LinkedIn to expand your network. Time management is a crucial skill that can enhance your productivity and efficiency. Learn to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and eliminate distractions. Effective time management allows you to make the most of your day and accomplish more in less time. This can lead to better performance at work and more time for personal development. So take the time to invest in yourself and unlock your full potential. Chapter 4. Diversify your investments. Diversification is key to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Spread your money across different assets to reduce risk and increase returns. The adage, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," holds true. Stocks offer high returns but come with higher risk. Consider a diversified portfolio of stocks or ETFs to mitigate risk. Bonds provide steady, predictable returns and add stability. Real estate can provide passive income and potential appreciation. Mutual funds and ETFs offer an easy way to diversify. Alternative assets like commodities and cryptocurrencies offer unique growth opportunities. Diversify your income streams to build a resilient financial future. Chapter 5. Build multiple income streams. Achieve financial freedom by building multiple income streams. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Diversifying income sources provides financial security and increases wealth. Side hustles generate additional income. Freelancing, selling products, or consulting can provide steady, extra income. Find something you're passionate about. Passive income is another powerful way to build income streams. Earn money with little effort through passive income. This includes rental income, dividends, or royalties. Create income streams that generate money even when not working. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a great way to earn passive income. Companies pay dividends, providing steady income. Reinvesting dividends can grow your portfolio. Real estate investments provide passive income through rentals. Earn rental income and benefit from property appreciation. Digital products like ebooks and courses generate passive income. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal effort. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income. Promote products and earn commissions through referral links. Explore opportunities and start building multiple income streams today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's achieve financial freedom together. Your engagement helps us reach more people and share valuable information that can transform lives. So hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your financial future. The steps we discussed today, saving early, creating a budget, investing in yourself, diversifying your investments, and building multiple income streams, are essential for achieving financial freedom. Take these steps now and you'll thank yourself later. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for more life-changing tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Together, we can build a secure and prosperous future. See you in the next video.